Hi and welcome to Yes You Can channel with me. You can call me Sylvia, and here we talk or learn about anything under the sun. Anyway, today I'm doing my washing and doing my hair as we're having a meeting tonight at church. We are going to church tonight, so I want to look fabulous and I have washing to do. So do it with me. Woo! So this is step one. All you have to do, just fill the plate with water, and I'm using that soap. It's 2-in-1. I'll show you not in the end, but at the end of the washing. It's 2-in-1. You can find it in pub. So you just apply it on your hair. It does not matter how you apply it, as long as you apply it. Then you squeeze, or not squeeze, but apply it on the hair and the scalp so that it can reach everywhere. Wash it off. Yeah, it means that it's both shampoo and conditioner, so I like it that way. And here we have a towel. We can just dry them off. Then we can move on to the next step. So this also, I found it in Pep. I buy it. Almost all of my things I buy them in Pep. You can just find them there in $, or any cheaper price. So what you want to do, just comb the hair thoroughly so that they cannot have any, until when you put the comb, the hair is not getting stuck, or the comb is not getting stuck in the middle. So this is the end. So I decided to wash only the blanket today anyway. So this is the step one of preparing the washing. Just put water in a basin or washing basket. Is it a washing basket? Then you pour soap until your ancestor tell you so, or the Lord have whispered to you that is enough, or you use your eyes. Then we go to step 2. You put your blanket on. It does not matter if you have 3. You can put mine with 2, but I have the white one in the other plate. So you just soak it for a while before you wash it, because you want everything to go well. That's me running to close the water because the water was about to overflow. So after soaking, this is it. Then you can start washing. So I use my feet, or I use both feet and hands to help me to wash. So that's me pulling, washing off. Then the next step, you
am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop.
2 years later, still cleaning the plates. So because of the name, I can see that I have made a little bit of mess. I made chaos here. The rule is you must clean after yourself, or else the neighbors are gonna complain. So that is what I'm doing now. And if you see there, I decided only to wash the blanket today so that I can wash my clothes another time. Yes, this is me, the result of a hard work that I put in. This is actually I was house sitting for the weekend, so I went there and I attended the meeting, church on Zoom. So please, if you enjoy this video, do kindly subscribe and comment and like and tell a friend to do the same, because I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and gain some points from YouTube. Thank you so much. I don't take your time and everything that you have supported my channel for granted. Thanks so much, and bye. See you in the next video.